Look at that. Those babies are all safe in the little cocoon. Look at that. Hey Leggy, look at that puku. You ready to go? Come on then, let's keep going. Keep moving. It's a beautiful day. Leggy. All the dew still on the morning dew. Oh look, the heather's starting to come out and bloom. This beautiful winter flower only grows in the North Island of New Zealand. In the South Island, their heather is white. We used to pick that when we were kids. Like, we had hills of it, and we used to take it to the auctions, Turners and Growers, and sell it in Auckland to the florists. When I was a little girl with my dad and mum and brothers. Those are some amazing memories. Being fields of heather. Absolutely, so pretty. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. Where are you going, Puku? Should we go this way? Come on. Let's go this way. Come on. She said, I want to sniff everything. Let's go this way. Oh, she's like, no, I'm walking you. You're not walking me. It's all about me this morning, eh, Laggy? It's all about Lagatha. She's a happy girl. Sometimes when we'd come really early, she'd stop here and pose for me, because I'd get beautiful light codes through the trees as the sun was rising just there. And that's quite early in the morning. And this morning, oh, there's some reds, some pinks coming through. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Hey, Princess. See how she stands there and poses like a good girl? Because she knows what's happening, eh? She knows what's going on. And she said it's all about me. Love me. Just love me. I love you, Laggy. Come on. We love this track. Come on, Puku. Oh, she said I need to have a mummy again. Good morning, Ra. Let's run. Let's run. Oh, yeah. There we are, Puku. So guys, this is actually our local bike track, and they recommend not to walk it, but because Lagatha is she's got fire energy, I don't want no dramas, so we walk where no one else is walking, because I don't want to startle little old people with their little poodles. So this is our track, and we come when there's no one on it, and we just do the loop and then we're out of here. Hey girl. And sometimes we run it when we're feeling extra fit. Left, right, left. And then we've got the last jumps over here. Come on, Puku. Come on, Leggy, run. Come on, Leggy, run. Come on, Leggy, run. Come on, Leggy, run. Oh. Last big jump, Lagatha. Oh, shit. Oh. There we have it. Winter. All the leaves have fallen. Alright, Puku, let's go. Let's go. And this is quite a hard case, but where I park my truck, there's a little wooden stump there, and so Laggy can use that as a step to get up. But what's even cooler is this door. There's that door in the tree. Fairies live in there. Come on, Puku. Let's show them how you get in the truck. She can jump in the truck from. Come here, come here. She's like, my walk ain't over. Come here, Puku. Lagatha. Laggy, come on, let's go home for pickies. Come on, this way. Oh, shivers. Okay, that's us. Maggie, come on. All right, get up. Good girl, Puku up. And there you have it. One happy bulldog. Oi, Laggy. Is that a good hikoi? Yeah. She said, thanks, Mum. I love you. I love you too.